Welcome to the Wobbly Wheel Studio. Today we're going to be comparing a couple different streaming devices with different operating systems. We have the Roku Premiere, the dynalink Android TV, and the Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick. We have like a million of them. And we have the Xiomi Mi Box S. First up is the Roku Premiere. I've been using Roku devices for about 10 years now. I purchased the current box, the Roku Premiere. It's just like every other Roku device. The interface is getting old. It's about 10 years old. It's not really fitting for a smart TV. The interface does not scale well with larger size TV, meaning that you'll see more channels and more rows. That'd be nice. And honestly, the interface looks like something you see on one of those kids' learning toys. You know, the interface, kids' learning toy. Looks the same to me. Another thing I don't like about it, at least on this device, is that it has an IR remote, which means you can't put the device behind your TV to hide it out of the way, and you can't do those cool behind the back TV shots, control the TV, maze your friends. I like doing that. So the Roku's fine if you just want to stream, but honestly it's very tired now. You need to revise it heavily. Next, let's go with the Fire TV. Been using those since forever. I have a lot of them. A lot of Amazon/Echo/Fire devices. I've purchased enough of these things to pay for Jeff Bezos' yacht. So Jeff, if you're watching, you owe me a ride on that thing because I paid for it. I got the newest stick, so I get the newest GUI. For those of you who don't know what GUI is, neither do I. It's better. The new interface is better, but it's still really heavy on the ads. It's really bad. I did not realize how bad it was until I went and started actually reviewing all these devices. What's good about it, it works with your with your Amazon devices. So if you're heavily invested in Echoes and the such, it might not be a bad idea to get it. But if you're not heavily invested, or you really don't care if your TV is connected to your other devices, can't recommend it at all. My experience has been the interface is sluggish. I get reboots for no reason whatsoever. You can't really customize the interface very much, so I really can't recommend that device. The last two devices are run on Android TV. We have the dynalink Android TV, Box TV, and we have the Xiomi Mi Box S. Like I said, they both run Android, so they're pretty similar. I enjoy using Android TV. You can customize it. I like a little bit more, but it was plenty. I know people are complaining about the latest update where they added an ad, but coming from the Firestick, I don't even notice it. They handle 4K. They pass through advanced audio. And they have enough memory if you're just going to use it as a streaming device or occasionally play a game. And at least the other thing, neither of them has a lot of memory. Fortunately for the Xiomi, you can actually add memory to it. It has a USB port on the back and easy peasy. The dynalink, no port. Now, there are ways, but we're just looking at this, you purchase the item and plug something in. So, no. But if you're just looking for a straightforward device, the dynalink works well. It has enough memory and you're not really missing a USB port. Now, after using the two Android TV devices for a couple weeks now, I initially had a problem with the Mi Box S. When I first set it up, it was extremely sluggish. Apps would crash. Apps would crash. It wasn't pretty. I went ahead and did a reset to default and reinstalled everything, and then it worked pretty well. Everything was pretty good. Moved around, no problems. I even did some side loading, and I've tried adding memory and devices and what have you. And for the most part, it works pretty well. The dynalink works really well. It's very snappy. I mean, you hit the remote and it happens right now. No wait, no delay. Only had, I think, one crash on it. Maybe one reboot, probably not, because I was also side loading things and trying devices on it. So I'll give it a pass on that till 3-month review. So if I had to recommend a device, I would definitely say the dynalink. And at $50, it's a good deal. At $30, it's an incredible deal. You should go out and buy several if it's at that price. Give them as presents for bar mitzvahs, weddings, girl's 16th birthday. Whatever you need a present for, it should work. Anyway, so this has been a comparison on the wobbly wheel. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you next time.
Left engine.